excuse my messy vehicle, but here is the 6-foot charging cable for Apple products, and this is it fitting in my daughter's iPhone. I just wanted to say that it is 6 foot long. It's very long, and that it fits into the end. When you have a life-proof case, a lot of times any connection, you have to verify that it's connected correctly with any kind of cable, but it works super great. I love the fact that it has this fabric on it to protect your cable. Very nice ends. Just overall very, very good quality charging cable. Love them.